a late model SUV, just in it. Unique, especially in classics. A little newer than we typically deal with, but once in a while we'll get a customer that asks us to represent a vehicle for them, get it listed, get it online. So we help them out. And here you go, 2017 Jeep Patriot Latitude. Nice 4x4, this particular vehicle, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed mileage. Mileage is 26,458 approximately. Of course, a 4x4, and this one does have the 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder, 6-speed automatic transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see still pictures of this one online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. This particular car went through our inspection in the back service department. Checked out very well. Would have the cloth charcoal colored interior. Center console with the shifter. Steering wheel controls, AM, FM, CD. Of course, all the standard equipment you'd get with the Latitude package. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video. In the description is going to take you right there. As you can see, paint is in nice shape on this car. It's well taken care of. Stored indoors. Not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. You may find a few imperfections, as with any vehicle with 26,000 miles or so on it. I believe this would have been called granite crystal clear coat, or a metallic clear coat. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. Again, steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start this up. So you can hear it run. Let's check out the dash. There's your exact miles, 26,458, I believe it was. And then, of course, you can see that there is no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just a seatbelt light, since I don't have that on. Again, AC, AM, FM cassette. No fading on the dash, anything like that. All good shape. Interior, free of rips, tears, much for anywhere really at all. Runs as it should. See, it's not smoking. Nice, well taken care of vehicle. I'll pause this a second. Let's take a look under the hood. You can see how neat and tidy it is under there too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Just what you'd expect. Take a look at this hood liner too. You can tell this thing hasn't really been driven any sort of inclement weather. Very, very clean. .4 liter, smooth runner. Nice, economical, reliable engine. So there you go, looking for a nice little SUV, 2017 Jeep Patriot Latitude, a little over 26,000 miles, 2-owner, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is that website. Check out the still pictures. Be able to see undersides, interior, engine bay, all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.